1.
Jeff is the perfect elementary school teacher. He's so good with children.
I know what you mean. He never gets angry with those kids, even when they're not listening to him.
2.
Sheila speaks very well. When she talks, people stop and listen.
I know. A lot of people even change their opinions after talking to her.
3.
How does Mary like her new job?
Oh, she loves it. She's really excited about working there. In fact, she even works on weekends because she enjoys being there so much.
4.
I've been having problems with my boss lately.
Why is that?
Well, he has a lot of rules. He gets really angry if I come to work 2 minutes late, or if I let the office phone ring more than twice before I answer it. And if I make a tiny mistake, he yells at me.
5.
I don't know about you, but I'm voting for Dave Thomas for school president. He knows everything about the school and all the important issues.
Yeah, he really knows what he's talking about.
6.
My landlady is really nice. She doesn't get angry if I pay the rent a few days late. And when I'm sick, she always brings me homemade chicken soup.
Wow, she sounds really thoughtful.